Here's how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. Now on your Android phone, you can access it two different ways. One is you can swipe up and get into your settings to turn on Wi-Fi calling, or I'll show you another option where we can do it in the phone app. Now let's first just tap on connections here at the very top. And now you'll be able to see right under Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi calling. Again, if you don't see that, you can just search for Wi-Fi calling. Or another place that you can get to it is to open up the phone app and then tap on those three dots at the very top right. And then tap on settings here. And you can see as I scroll down, it says Wi-Fi calling. Now I'm going to tap on that and you'll be able to see it pops up with a menu and it's going to walk you through some disclaimers and things that you have to sign. Now what Wi-Fi calling is instead of calling with your cell carrier, connecting your phone to the tower, it's connecting through your Wi-Fi network. And one thing that it will ask you to do is update your address associated with your phone, because when you call through Wi-Fi calling, if you call 911, they won't be able to geolocate you like they would through towers, and you have to enter in your address so they can locate you. So let's scroll down here. You can see at the very bottom, I'm going to hit continue. And by hitting continue, you're going to enter in your street address. So on here, I'm just going to enter in my home address here. And after I do that, you can see I'm going to scroll down and I can type in Raleigh. And then I'm going to scroll down and choose North Carolina on this list. And then my zip code and hit verify address. After I've done that, it says 911 only works within US, Puerto Rico, and Virgin Islands. I'm going to hit use this address. And again, it will go through this process because when you do turn on Wi-Fi calling, they won't be able to know exactly where you are. You can see Wi-Fi calling setup is in progress. Please check again later. Look for this icon at the status bar. And it's kind of the normal Wi-Fi, but it has a little plus and up and down. You can always swipe down and swipe down again, and then look at the very top right to see if that Wi-Fi calling symbol is turned on. Now, if you don't see that Wi-Fi symbol and it's still not working for you, and that Wi-Fi calling is just not turning on, then the next thing that I would recommend doing if that is not turning on is going into your settings and try to manually turn it on again. For whatever reason, it's a bit of a bug and glitch. So go back in here and you can see now that I turned it on, it is enabled. The next thing you can do if it's still not working for you is check to see if your carrier accepts Wi-Fi calling. So you can open up a web browser here and you can type in something like AT&T Wi-Fi calling and basically just check to see if your carrier accepts it. And if it's still not working for you to make and receive those calls using Wi-Fi, then I would recommend just restarting your phone. That usually fixes it. So you're going to press and hold on the side button and then just tap on restart and then restart again to enable Wi-Fi calling so that you can make and receive calls using your internet and not the cell carrier.